This happens to be a clunking noise on a Chevy Trailblazer, and I don't know how well the camera picked that up, but this stabilizer link has a lot of movement in it, and we're going to go and order some and replace that. So if you're going over bumps and you hear a clunking noise, it is likely either your bushings up here for your sway bar or your stabilizer links here. And what it is you have a 6mm hex key that fits in there, and then you're going to take a 21mm and go ahead and break this nut loose. And then what I'm going to do is use an impact on there, but if these are so rusted and corroded on, you may need to take an angle grinder and then slice down the center of this bolt to get them off. A lot of times they're in pretty rough shape. So we got that one off. You want to do these one at a time, and then we'll go ahead and take this one off. There is a right and a left for this stabilizer lengths. They're not interchangeable. New stabilizer link happens to have some grease fittings on there. I went and installed them. It's probably a good idea to get the best quality stabilizer length you can, because the cheap ones, they only last about 10,000 miles, so it probably is best to spend the extra and get something of quality. Unfortunately, we had one of the bolts that would just bind up, so we ended up cutting the back of this off and then cutting around it with a angle grinder. A lot of the aftermarket ones have flat spots on here where you can put a wrench on the back if it does not have the flawed Allen key type system, and these are a lot nicer.